This is a capture race challenge for white, as we've seen repeatedly throughout this playlist. Playing this diagonal move on the first line is the correct answer. Other moves will not work because white is already very short on liberties. Number 1 will not work, and simply bending here will not work because black just has more liberties. So in search of more liberties, white plays here on the first line with this diagonal move. It's a very neat move. If black plays here, then white can just play at number 3, threatening to connect, and black must block at number 4. What happens now is that white can play on the outside, threatening this cut. If black connects, then white will be able to win. Black cannot enter from either side. So black can only play here, and white will be 1 liberty faster than black. However, after number 5, black can also play right here at number 6. Now white cannot connect because this way white will fail, and the only move white can make is right here. This is a connect and die for black. So black doesn't connect here and capture here instead. After number 9, if black wants to save these 6 stones, it has to connect. Otherwise, white also has this connect and die. So this is the optimal sequence for both sides. White doesn't get to capture these 3 stones, but does get to capture 2. If black tries something like this, what white can do now is to play here. If black connects, now white can cut. Black cannot come in. And after number 5, these black stones will be dead. If black connects here, white can cut. If black plays here, white can Atari from behind. And this is another connect and die. So at least white will get to capture these 2 stones. And of course, if these stones want to live, they can escape. But white already succeeds for the purpose of our problem. So once again, we see the magic of this diagonal move on the first line. Always a good move to calculate. And oftentimes it works. Hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.